Max, where are the lemon meringue cupcakes? Stop making them. And the fudge berries.
Fudge. Fudge.
And the fudge berries. Seriously, what are we gonna do about this?
I'll tell you what we're gonna do.
Oh, you ripped up an eviction notice.
Eviction. Eviction.
Oh, you ripped up an eviction notice.
Max, I know our shop's in trouble. It's all I think about. Even in my sexual fantasies, I'm giving Ryan Gosling a rent check.
Gosling. Gosling.
I'm giving Ryan Gosling a rent check.
Look at him! Yeah! Come on and vote!
Vogue. Vogue.
Come on and vote! Those were the good old days.
We'll give you some time to think about it, but with your delinquent rent history,
Delinquent. Delinquent.
I've been looking at a lot of memes.
Oh, that's who you look like? Grumpy Cat.
Grumpy. Grumpy.
Grumpy Cat.
Max, I know we've borrowed from everyone we know, but I'm so convinced that this is the right thing that I'm willing to stoop to something
Stoop. Stoop.
that I'm willing to stoop to something that I'm willing to stoop to something I never thought I'd do.
Look, you're sweet, you're adorable, but
Adorable. Adorable.
look, you're sweet, you're adorable, but you're way too bony to bring in more than 40 a night. And even if you got an animal sidekick, it's
Sidekick. Sidekick.
and even if you got an animal sidekick, it's
Nice to meet you. Did she tell you I pulled her hair? Oh, it was legend around the family townhouse.
Townhouse. Townhouse.
Oh, it was legend around the family townhouse. Please tell me which ones you hate.
Aunt Charity started her makeup empire at 26 when she invented bubblegum flavored lip gloss.
Gloss. Gloss.
6 when she invented bubblegum flavored lip gloss.
Murdered and my dress would obviously be late. Now, why are you here? Tell me. You have my full and undivided attention.
Undivided. Undivided.
Here, tell me. You have my full and undivided attention. Oh, good choice.
And as you know, I've always respected your business acumen.
Acumen. Acumen.
You know, I've always respected your business acumen.
including dog penis.
And I'm not asking for a handout.
Handout. Handout.
And I'm not asking for a handout.
See yourselves out. I'm going to my dermatologist for a little procedure.
Dermatologist. Dermatologist.
I'm going to my dermatologist for a little procedure.
But just so you know, you were my last chance to keep my dream and our business alive.
You're resourceful. You'll think of something.
Resourceful. Resourceful.
You're resourceful. You'll think of something.
Because families help each other.
Well, why don't you help yourself to an adult-sized pair of boobies?
Booby. Booby.
To an adult-sized pair of boobies.
Okay, here's the new face mask. You peel the soiled one off, then swab the affected area with Q-tips.
Swab. Swab.
Then swab the affected area with Q-tips.
Now, if I wasn't feeling amazing. Yummy, right?
Yummy. Yummy.
Yummy, right? Oh, here, they're in this cup that has a seagull on it. Wait. Where have I heard a seagull cup before?
Seagull. Seagull.
Where have I heard a seagull cup before?
Why would you want to hurt me like that?
It's obvious. She's obsessed with her brother.
Obsess. obsess,
She's obsessed with her brother.
And you know what? We're done. You know what? We are not done. I am not a quitter.
quitter, quitter,
I am not a quitter.
Her face is gone. She's basically the Phantom of the Channing.
phantom, phantom,
She's basically the Phantom of the Channing.
25,000. Signed Char. It's he? Shan.
char, char,
Signed Char. It's he? Shan. Oh, don't look so wounded. You know I had to stop that chick. You took advantage of someone in a morphine haze.
morphine, morphine,
Jack, you took advantage of someone in a morphine haze. Jack, you took advantage of someone in a morphine haze.
If you think that was being taken advantage of, you've never blacked out at a pep rally.
pep, pep,
You've never blacked out at a pep rally. Yeah, and where them lollipops at?
You took away my future.
And my lollipops.
lollipop, lollipop,
You took away my future.
And my lollipops.